So you come here to sell, you tap on sell. If you have an account, you can register, but if you don't, you click sign up. So you sign up. Let's put in our first name as a farmer. So let me give an example of a team, Peter. Then the Gmail that you have. Now select account type. I'm a farmer. A farmer can advertise their crops and livestock for the buyers. So my location, this is where my farm is located. So I'm going to say Arua. You can specify exactly where it is, but make sure you tap from the drop down. Okay, because why that's needed is that country and district will be filled from what you choose from here. For example, if I say Ntao Mukono, that is where my farm is. This is exactly like pinpointing where my farm is. So here it changes according to what I wanted, but I want it in Arua now. Then you put in your phone number. The phone number is put in. Then let's select country, which is Uganda. What languages do you speak? So let's say English and Swahili. So most of the languages are available. You search and type in what you need, what you can speak. So distance from the main road in kilometers. So distance is 6 kilometers. And then my farm size in acres, that is 15. Okay, then we can place in here our password. Make sure your password has special characters, a capital letter, some numbers in it. So when you're done putting in your password, confirm that all fields are being filled, everything has something, and then you click sign up. When you sign up, it takes you to login, whereby I'll put in my login details. When you're done filling in your password that you created and your email that you created, you click sign in. And here we are, we have our dashboard of our farmer. Login successful.